Yo, what's up everybody? It's 2025 and data is the name of the game. But even with all this AI flying around, it's still only as smart as the data we feed it. That's where Scale AI comes in, completely changing the game when it comes to data labeling. We're talking next level accuracy and efficiency, and they've got 3 ways to get it done: automated, human only, and a cool hybrid called human in the loop. In this video, we're gonna dive deep into each one and see what makes Scale AI the go-to for all things data labeling in 2025. Let's do this. First up, we're talking about automated labeling. This is where AI really flexes its muscles. Imagine needing to label millions of images, texts, or even videos. Doing that manually would take forever, right? Automated labeling uses sophisticated algorithms to do the heavy lifting for you. We're talking lightning-fast speeds and crazy efficiency, especially with massive data sets. Think about self-driving cars. They need to understand their surroundings in real time, recognizing objects like other cars, pedestrians, traffic signs. Automated labeling makes that possible by labeling millions of images to train the AI. E-commerce platforms use it to tag products, making your online shopping experience smoother. But, like with anything, there are limitations. When the data gets really complex, the AI can get tripped up. When accuracy is absolutely critical, nothing beats the human touch. That's where human-only labeling comes in. We're talking about real people, trained specifically for your industry, meticulously labeling every single data point. This is especially important in fields like medicine. Imagine needing to train an AI to diagnose diseases from medical images. You need absolute precision and a deep understanding of human anatomy. Legal documents are another great example. The nuances of legal language, identifying key clauses and extracting critical information, that requires a level of comprehension that only humans can provide. The trade-off here is speed and cost. Human-only labeling takes more time and resources, but when the stakes are high and accuracy is paramount, it's the way to go. Chapter 3. Human in the Loop, the best of both worlds. Okay, so we've got super fast AI and super accurate humans. What if we could combine the best of both? That's exactly what human in the loop or HITL labeling does. Think of it like this. The AI does the initial heavy lifting, labeling as much data as it can. Then, human experts step in to review, refine, and correct any errors or ambiguities. It's like having a team of AI assistants working alongside human specialists. This approach is perfect for training really sophisticated AI models, especially in natural language processing. Think about chatbots or virtual assistants. You want them to understand natural language but also handle those tricky edge cases where the meaning might not be so clear. HITL helps train these models to be more accurate and responsive. Computer vision tasks that involve really fine-grained details also benefit from HITL. Humans can help the AI distinguish between very subtle differences that the algorithm might miss. Chapter 4. Scale AI, the future of data labeling. So by now you're probably thinking, okay, this data labeling thing is pretty important. And you're right, it's the foundation for all those cool AI applications we're seeing in 2025. And when it comes to data labeling, Scale AI is in a league of its own. First off, they're not messing around when it comes to quality. We're talking enterprise-grade data labeling that meets the highest standards of accuracy and consistency. They're labeling billions of data points every single month, powering some of the most advanced AI systems on the planet. Scale AI understands that in 2025 it's all about seamless integration. Their API lets you plug their data labeling capabilities directly into your workflows. Whether you're a startup or a tech giant, you can access the power of Scale AI without skipping a beat. And let's talk security. In a world where data privacy is more important than ever, Scale AI has you covered. They're SOC 2 compliant, HIPAA compliant, GDPR compliant, you name it, they've got the certifications to keep your data safe and sound. Outro, choose your weapon, the future is labeled. So there you have it everyone. The world of data labeling in 2025. Whether you need the raw speed of automated labeling, the meticulous precision of human-only labeling, or the best of both worlds with human in the loop, Scale AI has the tools and expertise to take your AI to the next level. Remember, your AI is only as good as the data you train it on. And when it comes to getting that data labeled accurately and efficiently, Scale AI is leading the charge. They're pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI, and it all starts with high-quality data labeling. What labeling method are you most excited about? Let me know down in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching. Which method would you choose? Comment below and tell us.